She is an established singer and songwriter with over 540,000 followers on Instagram. 5 of her singles have achieved platinum or double platinum status. 28-year-old Ananya Birla is also the founder of Swatantra Microfin, one of India's fastest growing microfinance institutions which empowers women in rural India. And her younger brother, 25-year-old Aryaman Birla, is an established sportsperson. He made his first-class cricket debut in the 2017-18 Ranji Trophy playing for Madhya Pradesh. He also represented Rajasthan Royals in the Indian Premier League for 2 seasons. Now, both are set to play a larger role in the $60 billion Aditya Birla Group, the business empire run by their father, 55-year-old Kumar Mangalam Birla. On 6th of February, Ananya and Aryaman were inducted as directors by the board of Grasim Industries. A few days earlier, on the 30th of January, the brother-sister duo were inducted as directors on the board of Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. They were also included on the board of Aditya Birla Management Corporation, the apex body that provides strategic direction to the group's businesses. Grasim, Aditya Birla Group's flagship company, houses the viscose staple fiber and chemicals businesses. It also holds a majority stake in the group's cement business, Ultratech Cement. And the company has forayed into the paint segment too. The conglomerate consists of 33 companies which operate in fields ranging from cement and telecom to financial services and aluminium. The group has 6 companies listed on the BSE and NSE. After their induction, Aditya Birla Group chairman Kumar Mangalam Birla said that Ananya and Aryaman's appointments had come at an appropriate time as Grasim was at a pivotal juncture and on the verge of creating what he called 2 new high-growth engines, paints and B2B e-commerce for building material. He said that Ananya and Aryaman's business acumen and insights into new age businesses and consumer behavior would be valuable for Grasim. So, what do they bring to the table? Ananya Birla founded Swatantra Microfin at the age of 17. With over 7,000 employees, its assets under management have crossed $1 billion. And a group company release said it had grown at a compound annual rate of 120% between 2015 and 2022. The release also said that Swatantra had a CRISIL A+ rating, adding that it successfully acquired Micro Housing Finance Corporation in 2018. Ananya is also the founder of a home decor brand, Ikai Asai. She is also the founder of the Ananya Birla Foundation, which does research in mental health and its social impact. The maiden entrepreneurial foray of the younger scion, Aryaman Birla, was in the hospitality business. He is also involved with several businesses of the group, including fashion and retail, real estate, and paints. And he is working on its foray into new age businesses in consultation with Kumar Mangalam Birla. According to a group company release, Aryaman helped incubate the group's D2C platform TMRW and is a director on its board. He has also been involved in laying the foundation for the group's B2B e-commerce business. Aryaman is also spearheading the group's venture capital fund, Aditya Birla Ventures. The Scions are expanding their roles at a challenging time. The disruption caused by Mukesh Ambani's 2016 foray into telecom with Reliance Jio has battered the Birla Group's prospects in the industry. In 2021, Kumar Mangalam Birla stepped down as chairman of debt-strapped telco Vodafone Idea, formed with a merger between his Idea Cellular and Vodafone India in 2018. By agreeing to convert the interest accrued on Vodafone Idea's dues into equity, the centre recently extended a lifeline to the beleaguered telco. But that is only a stopgap measure. Now, the promoters have to come up with a fundraising plan. Being an acquisitive conglomerate, the Aditya Birla Group has over 50% of revenue flows coming from its overseas operations across 36 countries. Since last year, the group has also been in the process of investing about $9.3 billion in creating new capacities and entering new sectors. Part of this investment is being done by Ultratech to increase its annual capacity to 160 million tons. India's largest cement maker, Ultratech has a capacity of 120 MTPA as of today. This comes after Gautam Adani's Holcim India acquisition, challenging the Birla Group on its own turf, cement. Adani is already India's second largest cement player with a capacity of 70 MTPA, and it also plans to increase this to 160 MTPA. The developments at the group indicate that the seeds of succession are being sown. In the past, India's large family-owned business groups have faced turmoil in the absence of clear succession plans. So, this will send a message of continuity and stability at Aditya Birla Group.
Opinion is clearly divided between 2 sets of investors. One who believe that, in family businesses, given the fact that these shares are going to get transferred in all probability to some members of the family. It's better they kind of get on board and start getting involved with the business, look at what is happening, and start to run the business. There's the other school of thought which actually believes that, look, there is certain roles and responsibilities of the board, and therefore there is an age at which people kind of come in and are able to contribute more completely and more comprehensively to what is happening on the board, and therefore coming in at let's say 25 or 28 or even 35 means that you're not able to contribute completely or in a more full manner to the discussions at the board level.
However, there are essential conditions that have to be met for a succession plan to succeed.
Be it a conglomerate, if it's a Grasim or a Birla Group, they may have multiple businesses. So one needs to show, or rather the business group needs to show that their children have gone through the grind, understand the business, have spent 10, 15 years, got the buy-in from internal and external stakeholders, and then project them for leadership roles and for directorship roles.
When Kumar Mangalam Birla took over as the head of the Aditya Birla Group in 1995, after his father Aditya Birla passed away, he was just 28. Birla brought in professionals to revive the fortunes of the group, which went on to take over a clutch of companies in India and abroad in telecom, commodities and retail. Ananya and Aryaman will no doubt benefit from his example.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.